to create an account on the Bouts app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can create an account on Bouts app. So then to create an account on Bouts app, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up a browser, and you can use any web browser, whichever is convenient for you. Along with that, you can also use the application. Either way, the procedures can remain the same. While you're on the web page, you have to go ahead and type in the link that is demo.bouts.app. It's going to take you to their official page. I'm also going to leave the link on my description box below as well. And when you are on this page, you could go ahead and press the register button from the top right hand side corner. Now enter in the following information that has been asked. Accordingly, they've asked display name, email address, and create a password. So go ahead and enter in the information quickly. Once done entering the following information, click the register button located right at the bottom, and here you have some sort of information stating that you've successfully created your Bouts app. Now you just need to go ahead and register your email stating that you've successfully registered for Bouts app. So this is how simple it is to create a Bouts app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.